Alright, welcome back. This is a CLACK head softener that is running through the drain when it shouldn't be. It's not in regeneration mode or anything like that. It's just leaking through the drain. So the first thing you're going to want to do is put it in bypass, hit the regeneration button, get the pressure off of the system. Once you got the pressure off, you want to remove the front cover. You're going to unhook all your little clips. You're going to remove the circuit board and remove the circuit board plate. Okay, this is the CLACK head wrench. This is to take the spool out of the center of the head. They sell these on Amazon stuff. They're not that expensive. If you don't have one, you can use some a couple screwdrivers or something just to get it to turn. It shouldn't be on there too tight, but just pull that spool out of the center. So this is a stack assembly. You're going to pull your stack assembly off. This was leaking. There's a little O-ring inside of there that's failed. You can see it's not sealing up, so it's letting the water flow through there when it shouldn't be. That's why it was running through the drain. This is the spacer assembly. They said they sell all this stuff on Amazon. It's a new spacer assembly, and you're just going to reassemble the same way you took it apart. Put your spacer assembly in, put your piston in. You're going to tighten it up, and it should be good. So this is the injector. So what I'm doing, I always just check it anyway. Just if your softener's not drawing water out of the salt tank and it's got a CLACK head on it, then most of the time this injector will be clogged up with dirt or something from the salt. That's that little white piece I'm pulling out now. So you pull that out. You just want to clean it out with a toothpick or something. Make sure you can see through it. But since I had it in bypass and all torn apart, I just went ahead and pulled it out just to take a look and make sure it was good. So when you install this circuit board, there's two little holes in the bottom of it, and there's two little pins that stick out of the plate behind it. You want to line those up and then just snap it into place. Then you're just going to reassemble, hook all your little connections back up. Just put your plate on, put your face plate on, unplug or plug it back in, and then should start right back up. So after you have your face plate on, you want to hit the regeneration button. You want to put it in diagnostic mode, which means you open the inlet, leave the outlet closed on the bypass valve. That way all the water's just going through the drain, it's not going back into the house. So you're just going to put it in regeneration mode, run it through its little cycles, let it run through a rinse cycle, and then you'll be done.